Here's Shlomi. How are you doing today, Shlomi?
Off, and we're just gonna start shredding. You peel them, I'm gonna chop them. Sound like a plan? Alright. So Shlomi's gonna help me peel the potatoes while I chop them and force to stick them in the bowl. While Shlomi's finishing up peeling the potatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rice on to cook. We have a rice cooker here. It takes about 20-25 minutes roughly. I'm gonna do 2 cups of rice. For every 2 cups of rice, I do about 3 cups of water and also butter and salt. I'm gonna do about half a stick of butter because I take that back, I use like 3/4, but that's good. And then last thing is where's our Himalayan pink salt? I left it over here. Lid on, cook. Right here. Last bit of potatoes in the boiling water, and they're gonna take about 30 minutes to cook.
And this is Leah stuffing her
I'm
face.
eating broccoli, so I can remember what I was telling you. What I wanted to tell you is that
Hi, Uncle Dallas.
this video is getting a little deep right now, so I'm gonna start drinking wine.
Nice.
It's getting,
What is this wine?
I don't know. It's some really cheap wine I picked up at the Albertsons the other day, but we're gonna try it out because I found it in the cupboard. It's been in there for weeks, so
It's gonna be awesome.
yeah, we gotta drink this day away because it's Sunday, fun day, and we ain't got nowhere to go.
Holy crap,
Okay.
hold on.
Before we continue cooking, we're gonna do a little L'chaim cheers and get a little bit toasty while we cook.
And I'm underage, so.
By the way, this Quell Oaks, I think it costs like $4 at the Albertsons, and I have to say, for a cheap bottle of wine, it's not too shabby. I've got my onion chopped. I used half an onion. I've used my chopper to chop it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in the skillet, and we're gonna saute up. Adding the onion to the skillet to saute. I love sauteed onion.
Woo! Ah, it's burning.
I'm chopping some red pepper. I'm gonna saute some of it, and then some of it I'm gonna cut into strips to lay on top of the kebab. Throw this red pepper in the skillet with the onion. Over. More salt, what is that, your wine? Wow. It's basically half raspberry fruit syrup and half balsamic vinegar. So we're gonna go ahead and dump equally
Okay? All of it? Till you do that?
Eat it. You can not.
Now just stir it together. Okay, try the sauce.
It's actually hella bomb.
And I'm gonna add red pepper to it. Dip your finger in it and lick like savages. With red pepper.
Wine.
I got a fish, a bass fish.
What are we doing?
Can you stir the onions?
Take the lemon.
Take the lemon.
Honey, I'm gonna make it.
He's grating the onion. Grating the lemon.
Grating the lemon into the fish.
What he's doing is he's grating the lemon into the fish for a lemon zest. We're also going to add a lemon juice with the zest. Saute, we accidentally burnt it a little bit, but it's okay. We like smoked flavor, so we're going to go ahead and add the onion and the red pepper to the fish. Stir that in.
Put the flour in there.
We're going to also add that syrups, the balsamic and cherry pepper syrup that I mixed. Put that sauce in there, and we're gonna mix this all up. Lemon juice. Oops. I think we're gonna use the other half. Then mix it all in. Also salt and pepper, and then we're also gonna go ahead and put a Chipotle Parmesan seasoning. At this point, we're chopping up some oregano. We're gonna go ahead and throw that in the fish mix as well.
Is it basa?
We're gonna add dill to the mix. Ooh. We're gonna add flour along with the egg. We're just kind of eyeballing the amount of flour that we're putting in there. You essentially just want the fish to start sticking together so that you're able to create a kebab or like.
What are we doing here, Swami?
Make the pizza, the meatball, the fish meatball.
Got Uncle D out here on grill. He is the finest. We are draining the potatoes. I think it's taking like about 30 minutes. I'm gonna throw it in a bowl and then I'm gonna season them. Mashed potatoes. The rice is officially ready. We put some curry, butter, and salt, and we're gonna throw it on the table for everybody to eat. Let's go check it out. Asparagus. Nice. Everything that we cooked today was so bomb. I think this is probably one of the best meals we've done since we've started cooking on this channel. Holy moly. 10 out of 10, 100%. I would serve this to my friend.